everyone and welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings, and today I want to show you how to make this crochet by stitch. It's so beautiful. Something very important. I will only make a sample, but in your project you should start with as many chains as you need, always multiples of 4. So if you are ready and you want to do it, let's start. I will use 2.0 millimeters hook for this yarn is about 1 millimeter. And we will start with 32 chains. First the slip knot and then 32 chains. Remember that for your project you will make as many chains as you need, multiples of 4, but this is only an example. So when you finish 32 chains, we will start in the chain number 5 and we will make 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the chain number 5, 1 double crochet. And now 2 double crochet more. We need 3 double crochet. So the second and 3. Now this is very important. You will put the hook or you will insert the hook in the chain number 4 from the beginning. So here insert the hook in the chain number 4 and take a big loop. And now you can close. Take the loop again and close. And that's it. One chain, skip one chain, and in the next one start making 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Insert the hook in this chain that we skipped and take the loop. And now you can close. Take the loop and close. And we will continue repeating the same until the end of this round with 1 double crochet. You can see. And for the end, you can close this loop and one chain, but this chain is optional. You know, you made only if you want, it's not necessary. So, but yeah, I will make one double crochet for the end because it's an example only for that. So on round 2, 3 chains, turn, and we will start in the first double crochet on the previous round, not here, no, in the next one. In the first double crochet we have 3, well, in the first one. So here the first double crochet, in the next one 2 and 3, and we will take the loop here where we already closed the first this loop in the previous round. One chain, and we can continue repeating the same. When you repeat more times, it's easy. So pay close attention, it's very easy, and you can see how I finish this round. And we will repeat this second round as many times as we need. Only the second round we will need repeat. So I'm repeating 6 times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 times, and it's so beautiful. I really love it. And only because this is one example, I made one chain for secure and cut the yarn. And that's it. Now I will put this example on our album. If you want to make something like this, you can see in the description of this video I will share some link where I explain more about this album. So you can see how I do it. It's optional. If you doesn't want, it's okay. So I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't yet part of this wonderful community, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. And thanks a million for watching this video to the end.